Hello everyone, my name is Anu. Today we'll do a poem of class 1 English, which is Once I Saw a Little Bird. Dear children, I'm sure that you must have seen a bird, right? I know. And how you feel when you see a bird for the first time, children? You feel very excited, right? You feel very happy to see a beautiful bird. Okay, so I know. So today we are going to do this poem, and in this poem, there is a small child who sees a bird, and like what he feels, he's telling us. Like what he feels, what he do after seeing the bird, he's telling us. So let's read this poem, children. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So the child is saying that once upon a time, he saw a little bird, a very small bird he saw. Okay, he sees a very little bird which comes hop, hop, hop. Like, and that bird was hopping. Okay, that bird was hopping in his window. You know what is the meaning of hop? Like a rabbit hops, right? Like a frog jumps, huh? The way, so just like that way, the bird comes hopping in his window. So okay. So once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. Then, okay, then what happened? I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So when the child sees the bird who was hopping in his window, he cried, he shouted, little bird. He shouted towards the little bird. He called the little birds that little birds, will you stop, stop, stop? Like, will you stop? Will you listen to me? Okay. What he says, will you stop for a moment? I want to talk to you. So he cried, he shouted, hey little bird, will you stop? Will you stop for me? Will you come to me? Okay. What happened next? Then I was going to the window. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? So the child is saying that he was going to the window because he saw that bird near his window. That bird was coming inside his window by hoping. The bird was hoping, and it came inside his window. So I was going to the window, so he went to the window to meet the bird, okay, and to say, how do you do? And what did he say to the bird? He asked the bird that how is she, or how is he, like how do you do? Okay, whenever somebody asks you how do you do, what do you say? I am fine. Okay, so that boy is also ready to go to the window and ask the bird that how do you do? Okay, when he went to the bird, what happens? When he went near the bird, what happens? But he shook his little tail and went, and away he flew. But he shook his little tail and away he flew. But what happened when he went near the window? What happened? That little bird, he shook his tail. Okay. When we are shaking our tail, shook is the second form of shake. When he shook his little tail, because that was a little bird and he has a very little tail. So what he did, he shook his little tail and away he flew, and he just fly away. Okay, that little child, when one day what happened, that little child saw a little bird in his window. The bird was hopping in his window. Okay, when he felt very excited to see the bird. He wanted to meet the bird. So he went near the window and he wanted to ask the bird that how do you do? Okay, how are you? But when he went near the window, what happened? The bird shook his tail and flew away. The bird fly away and he was not able to meet the bird. That's what happened to you also, na children. Whenever you go near the birds, they flew, they fly away. When you go near, whenever you see some birds nearby and you wanted to go near them, whenever you try to go near them, what they do? They fly away. They can fly, we can't fly, so we can't catch them, right? But the birds, they can fly, and that's why that small little bird, he also flew away when the boy tries to go near him. Okay, so this was a very small, very little poem, children. I hope you like this. Now, let's see the new words which we have learnt in this poem. And these words are, the first word is bird. B-I-R-D, bird. And what is the bird? It is a type of animal that has wings. Bird, what is bird? A bird is a type of animal that has wings. And a bird look like this. You can see many a kind of birds, okay? There are different kind of birds in the world, in our environment. Let's see the second word. Second word we have is hope. H-O-P, hope. What is the meaning of hope? Hope means to jump over. Okay, to jump over. Hope means to jump over. Like a frog jumps, like a rabbit jumps. Okay, hope. Like this. We hope like this. Okay, then the next word we have stop. S-T-O-P, stop. And what is the meaning of stop? To bring to an end. That means to stop something, to bring to an end. And this is the sign of stop, children. When there are vehicles on the road and they see this sign, all the car, buses, they stop. Okay. Next word we have tail. T-A-I-L, tail. A tail looks like most of the animals have tails. Yes. And what is the meaning of tail? The part of an animal's body. It is the part of an animal's body, children. Right? Yes. What is the next word we have? It is window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Okay. What is a window? It is an opening in a wall. You must have seen that there are windows in the wall. And the windows look like this. Yes, children? Okay. Now, next we have the question answers of this poem. In this poem, there are only two questions, children. Let's see the first one. What did the child see? What did the child see? So, the child saw a little bird. What did the child see? The child saw a little bird. Question number 2. What was the little bird doing? What was the little bird doing? The little bird came hopping to the window and then shook his tail and flew away. What did the bird do? That bird came hopping to the window and then shook his tail and flew away. Okay, children? Alright. Now let's see some more exercises. Can you name this animal, this bird? Can you name this animal which is a bird? Yes? Can you name this bird? Very good. It is a peacock. Very good. And peacock is our national bird. Do you know, children? It is the national bird of India. Peacock. And it is very beautiful. It has very beautiful color combination, children. and it dances when it rains, right? Okay, let's see next. Next we have, can you see this house? There is a house in your book also, children, and you have to fill colors in that house. Okay, can you fill colors? The roof is pink. You have to color the roof pink. Then the floor is yellow. Then the walls are brown. Okay, the plants are green. And the doors are blue. And the windows are pink. Okay, then next, there are so many different colors in the world, children. Let's see some colors. This is, which color is this? This is a yellow color. Okay, then can you tell me the name of this color? It is red color. All right, now see this color, which is this color? This is green color. Okay, the next color we have this. Which color is this? This is blue color. Very good. There are many more colors like this. Okay, next, what do we have next? Find double letter words. Okay, I'm going to tell you some words from the poem, and you have to tell that which word has double letters. Okay, double letter means two letters are there together in that word. Like we have, first we have saw, SAW, then little, 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 then stop, 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 then shook, 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 TALL, tall, ONCE, once. These are the words, children, and you have to tell that which word have double letters. Like where do we call double T, double O, double L? Okay, which words are there which have double letter? Tell me. Yes. Very good. The first word is little because it has double T. Okay. Next we have shook. It has double O. Next we have tall. It has double L. Very nice, children. Okay. Then now I'm going to ask you something and you have to give one word answer. Okay. Let's see. The first question for you is, you open it and get fresh air. Tell me, when you open it, you get fresh air. What it should be? It should be in the poem only. Okay, what it should be? Yes, it is a window. When we open the window, we get fresh air. Very good. Okay, another is very small. Tell me one word for very small thing which has come in this poem, children. It is little. Very good. And the next, you cannot, only birds can. What is the thing that you cannot do but birds can do? I told you, children. Tell me, what is it? Yes. Very good. It is fly. Birds can fly, but we cannot. Very good, children. Clap for yourself. Okay, let's see next. Next we have word grid. Okay, I'm going to show you a word grid and find out words from the grid. This is the grid and you have to find out the words which were there in the poem. There may be some more words. Find out the words from this grid. Take your time. Find out the words. Yes. Try, but don't cry. Do it. Okay, very good, children. Let me tell you. First word is little. You can see LITTLE, little. Then we have BIRD, bird. Okay. Then there is a word TALL, tall. Okay, then Tail, tail. Very good. Then shook, Shook, shook. Then stop, Stop, stop. Away, Away, away. Very good. And come, Come, come. So these were the words that were there in the grid. Okay, can you find anything else? No, na? Okay, let's see next. Okay, okay, let's see what do we have next. Now, next is identify these pictures. Okay, tell me which picture is this? Yes, this is a beautiful house. Very good, children. Now, next picture we have. Okay, it is a very nice butterfly. Okay. Next, what we have? Next picture we have. Yes, this is a dog. Okay, very good, children. Very beautiful. And thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. And stay tuned with me for my next videos, children. Till then, take care and enjoy learning.